Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my balcony transformation. Staying hydrated with my coldest water bottle. If you guys want to save 10% on a coldest water bottle of your own, you can use my discount code KIMXO. First thing I needed to do was sweep and wipe everything down. Living in West Texas, my balcony gets really dusty. Now for some decor, I went to Walmart and I purchased these outdoor pillows. At first, I didn't know if I was going to keep them for sure, but I love how the color scheme of these are because I feel like I can use them for all seasons. I also bought a couple of plants. I'm not a plant mom, so the majority of the plants that I got from Ross and Target are fake plants. So I don't really know how to keep plants alive or anything. But as you guys can see, my balcony, it's a little bit dead right now, so I thought a couple of greens would bring this balcony to life. Along with my fake plants, I also purchased 2 real succulents from Walmart. I figured if I was going to go and try to keep plants alive, I should start with something affordable and small, and these succulents were only $3 each at Walmart. Unfortunately, my succulents have started to turn brown and it's only been 3 weeks. I've only watered them once. So if any of you plant parents know exactly what the hell I'm doing wrong and can give me some tips to keep these alive, leave them in the comment section below. On day 2 of my project, I took a trip to my local Home Depot store and I purchased these 2 outdoor rugs. Right here, I only have one, but later on in the video, you'll see that I add another one because I feel like my balcony still looked pretty empty without having 2 of them. These both cost about $21. They were 6 by 8 feet long. I feel like it added the perfect outdoorsy feel to my balcony. It's definitely carpet, but it reminds me of grass and I could lay on my balcony, and instead of having to sweep my balcony in the future, all I have to do is vacuum it. It was a win-win for me. Now for lighting, my balcony has your basic light bulb lighting fixture on it, and I have always loved the string light vibe. I wanted one of my own, so I went to Walmart and I picked up some LED lights. I bought 3 packs of them. The only downfall was my balcony doesn't have a power outlet located on any of the walls. So I picked up this socket adapter. I never heard of this before. I actually Googled what do you do if your balcony doesn't have an outlet, and there it was. So it cost $3. You basically take out your light bulb, you screw in the power adapter, and then you can put the light bulb back in it. I don't actually plan on using the light. I just don't want an empty socket hanging on my balcony. So I put the light bulb back in for, I guess, safety reasons, but I didn't twist it in all the way. Then I plugged in my LED string lights to test them out and make sure that they worked, and I was so happy that they worked successfully. Next, I had to figure out how to hang them from the ceiling. I had gotten some command strips. Huge fail, you guys. Do not buy command strips to hang anything from your ceiling because I don't think they're made to be hung like that. They couldn't withhold the string light, so I ended up just using tacks, like the flathead silver tacks. I don't actually have a clip of it to show y'all, but I put the tacks inside of the ceiling and then I just strung the string lights along each of the tacks, and it came out just how I wanted it to. On day 3 of this project, I made some minor adjustments by laying down the second outdoor rug that I purchased from Lowe's. On day 4, I went to the Dollar Tree and found a table runner. It came in the champagne color and it really matched my outdoor pillows well, and it was pretty long, so I just folded it under and taped it onto the table, and it matched the whole set beautifully. On day 5, I'm adding my final piece of decor to my balcony. I have always loved the way that trellises look in gardens and in people's backyards, so I ordered one of my own. Honestly, it was more on the pricey side. This one cost almost $70, and it didn't even come assembled, so I had to get my sister to help me to assemble it. It's supposed to be a one-person job, but honestly, 2 people are better than one when it comes to building a lot of things. Like, they have this one online in the picture with these beautiful vines growing across it and flowers. Again, I'm not a plant mom, so I went to Walmart and I bought these really inexpensive flowers. They're about 10 cents each to $3 for a dozen, so they're all fake. And I attached them to the trellis with some white zip lines. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I feel like it really tied my whole vision together. I also went to the Goodwill and found these two floral pillows. They were only $1.99 each, so I thought they'd be a perfect addition to the plants and the flowers and everything that I have out there. So that wraps up this balcony transformation video, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time that I post. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.